Okay, she bad, she cute, come through for the hair, look at the smile. Okay, alright. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So let's get straight into these distressed faux locks. So first things first, you're going to need to create your sections. You know, I'm all about pre-sectioning your hair. Yes, it makes life easier. So in this case, I'm going to part very randomly. Like, I don't need perfection. I just want that kind of carefree, not trying too hard, but she's still cute kind of vibe. So this is what we're doing here. And as you section your hair, don't forget to moisturize it. You can use your favorite moisturizer and go ahead and detangle your hair. Next, you're going to want to braid the root. Braiding the root is better because it helps your faux locks stay and not slip out as compared to a twist. And you don't want to do rubber bands. Rubber bands cause too much tension on your roots and follicles. We don't want alopecia, girl. We too young for that, okay? While I'm going ahead and twisting down the rest of my hair, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, baby. And of course, hit that thumbs up button and the notification bell so you'll never miss one of my uploads. Oh, a girl been slipping, but listen, life's been busy, okay? But she back on it. So go ahead and subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. So what I like to do after I twist my hair is to add some extra moisturizer on the ends. And this is how it looks finished. All my sections are made, honey. Now you see why I like to section my hair out? Because if you can't finish, you can easily put this into a ponytail and go outside. But if you start like doing it one by one, girl, you're gonna be inside for the next 3 days. Sorry. So next time you see me, I'll be showing you the hair. So this is what the hair looks like that I'm going to be using for the crochet part, but I'm going to cut it because I want this hair to look like a bob. So back at it again. What I'm going to do is put my hair up in a ponytail, and you know how we do. We like to lean over and get that ponytail placement because, you know. So this is the ponytail, and as you can see, I left my edges out because we are not trying to rip our edges out. No, no baby. So of course, next thing you're gonna need is a crochet hook, and we're gonna start from the side. I don't know why I did that face. Somebody must have been trying me. Anyway, push the crochet needle through. Make sure the latch hook is open. Hook the faux lock in. And then you go ahead and pull the faux lock through the hole at the top, like the loop. Pull your faux lock through that. Don't pull your hair with it. Like I see a lot of people do that, but that makes the takedown a lot more easier and makes you more prone to like pulling your hair out. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure my hair and I'm going to cut where the end of my hair is. Oh my God, I almost took my eye out. Anyway, I'm showing you guys here that some people go ahead and use the crochet hook and pull their hair through the entire piece of crochet hair. And I'm giving you guys a little quick demo on how people do that. Not all the way because she ain't got time for that. You get the idea. They push the crochet hook through that thing and pull the hair out, but we ain't got time for that. So what we're going to do is measure where our hair stops. Why I keep saying R? I am going to measure where my hair stops. And I'm going to cut a little bit below that. And that's the benefit to this style if you want to do it in a bob. If you crochet your hair through this faux lock, you run the risk of cutting your hair. And we don't want that. So I'm showing where my hair is, and I'm going to cut slightly below where my hair is, just for extra precaution during the takedown. Yeah, trying to get her to focus. Focus, baby. Okay, so that's where my hair is. And go ahead and cut like about an inch below that, just for safety measures, as you can see here. All right, so I'm not sitting here and do all that. I'm gonna do my entire head and come back when this part is done. Hi. So this is my entire head looped and crocheted through. So now we're gonna go ahead and get to the wrapping portion of this video. As you can see, it's all looped through. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a ponytail upside down, but it's blurry, so epic fail. Anyway, I'm gonna start with this section here, and we're gonna begin to wrap. Once again, it's very important for you to cut the crochet faux lock longer than your hair, so that when you take it down, you don't end up cutting your hair or nothing. So this is the hair. This is basically like any water wave or passion twist hair, nice and wavy. You go ahead and crochet it through just like you did with the faux lock. Just push the crochet needle through and loop the passion twist hair or water wave hair, whatever kind of hair you got, girl. You can even do this with like Marley hair, like depending on the texture you want for your locks. But these locks to me look best with a passion twist hair or like a water wave hair. So go ahead and pull it through, like just one side of it. You're not like knotting it or anything, so that when you start wrapping, you won't have like a big knot at the root of your hair. It will look kind of knotless. Now, hairs in my eyes, I'm watching the TV, I'm distracted, okay, forgive me. However, what you want to go ahead and do now is to separate this passion twist hair. Like just fuzz it out, like separate it, make it messy. Like it doesn't need to be perfect. The messier it is, even if you get some tangles, that's even better. So this is what the hair should look like after you unravel it. If yours is messier than this, like I said, that's even better, girl. Now go ahead and wrap. Like it depends on which side is comfortable for you, but I generally like wrapping towards the left because it's easier for me to create the distressed look, as you will see shortly. So at this point, you kind of spread the hair out so that it covers a larger space without making your locks too bulky, because the distressed look does add like volume. So now to create those distressed pieces, you take your thumb and stick it in the middle of the hair. Like it doesn't matter the size, just stick it in between and continue wrapping. And you can wrap once like the regular way in between that. Like I said, stick your thumb between it and just wrap. It's like you're just wrapping as usual, but like every other wrap, you go ahead and stick your thumb between it. Now I'm showing you this, doing it the other side, you won't be able to wrap. That's why I like wrapping to the left. I'm right-handed, so I guess if you're left-handed, you can go ahead and wrap to the right. I don't know the science behind it, but yeah, this is what I do. And you go ahead and do that all the way down the lock. Now when you get to the end, just take one of the little strands of that passion twist hair and create a knot like close to the end, like just below where your hair stops. Like create a little double knot. I know you can't see it because my big hands are all up in the camera, but after you create that knot, this is how it will look at the end. So you'll go ahead and fold the excess pieces back upwards, create that same loop with your thumb like we were doing to create the distressed look, and start wrapping the end of the hair, like that leftover piece, back upwards. So this is how it looks when you're all done. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. But as you know, we can never, ever, ever complete any style without the greatest product ever invented. Okay, some mousse. Now the bottle, don't pay attention to the bottle because I just put that in there. I use the Nairobi foam, the Nairobi satin lotion, but I bought the big value size, so I just put it in this Motions foam bottle. So go ahead and spray that foam all over your hair, girl, like you are half fudge sundae. And go ahead and smooth it through. Like I always say, if you've watched any of my other videos, and if you haven't, girl, go hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when I upload, okay? Yeah, the foam basically serves to add movement and to soften these synthetic hairs so they're not like sticking all over and stiff. So now that we've done that, go ahead, wipe your eye because you're a little bit tired. You want to go to sleep. Yeah, so after that's done, you are basically complete with the style. You don't need to dip it in hot water or anything. And this is the final look. And of course, I'm not going to do my edges because I ain't doing my edges for the angels around my bed because it's 2 o'clock in the morning and she tired. So enjoy the rest of your night. Bye.